Welcome back guys in this WooCommerce tutorial series. My name is Rana and in this WooCommerce tutorial, I'll show you how you can set up PayPal payment gateway in your e-commerce website with WooCommerce plugin. Before you watch this video, make sure you set up your WooCommerce plugin properly. If you haven't set up your WooCommerce plugin yet, you can go to the description box of this video and watch WooCommerce basic settings tutorial. I already made that tutorial for you guys. Set up your WooCommerce plugin properly, then watch this video. I assume you already set up your WooCommerce plugin properly. If so, let's get started. Alright, to set up PayPal payment gateway, let's go to WooCommerce and click on settings. Now go to payments tab. The time I'm recording this video, PayPal does not provide us a PayPal payment gateway option. To get the PayPal payment gateway option, we have to install a plugin. To do that, let's go to plugins and click on add new and come over here and search for PayPal and install this plugin, WooCommerce PayPal Payments by WooCommerce, and then click on activate. Once you install and activate, let's hover your mouse over WooCommerce and then click on settings. Now go to payments tab. Now you can see we have this option, PayPal. Now click on setup. So here we have this sandbox option. Sandbox is a test mode. If you want to test out your payments, you can check this option. But in this video, we will set up PayPal payment gateway as a real payment gateway so that we can receive real payments from a real customer. You can connect your PayPal directly from here by clicking on this button, or you can use manual mode. Let's toggle to manual credentials input by clicking on this link. Here we need these credentials. We need live email address, merchant ID, live client ID, and secret key. To get all of these, let's go to PayPal. If you do not have PayPal account, you can create a new one by clicking on sign up. So guys, here you can create business account and then click next. And here you have to type your business information like your first name, last name, email, password, and you can create your account. It's pretty straightforward. So I'm not gonna waste your time to show you how to create a simple account. Let's go back and I'm gonna log in. And now click on my PayPal. Alright, so this is the dashboard of PayPal. First, we need a merchant ID. To get that, let's hover your mouse over here and then click on account settings. Now click on business information. So you can see this is my merchant ID. So I'm gonna copy it. And now come back to your website and paste your merchant ID over here. And type your live email address, your PayPal email address. Below we need client ID and secret key. To get that, let's go back to PayPal. And now click on this developer button. And now hover your mouse over here and then click on dashboard. So guys, here we have two options. We have sandbox and we have live. Sandbox is a test mode to test out your payments. Let's go to live. So here we have to create an app. Let's go ahead, click on create app. Type your app name and then click on create app. Alright, so this is our PayPal client ID. If you click over here, and this will be your secret key. Let's copy the client ID. Come back to your website and paste your client ID over here. Let's go to PayPal once again. Let's copy the secret key. Come back to your website and paste your secret key. Once you do it, let's go ahead, click on save changes. So now you can see we have successfully connected our PayPal with WooCommerce plugin. If you scroll down, you will see we have other few options. You can change your title, you can change your description, you can change your brand name, so on and so forth. Read them and change according to your requirement. That's it. This is how you can enable PayPal payment gateway on your e-commerce website with WooCommerce plugin. Thank you so much for watching this video. That being said, goodbye, and I'll catch you guys next time.